Hey y'all, Chris from American Sail again. Just want to talk a little bit about your ice compensator pillow for winterizing your pool. A lot of times people have misconceptions of what this is used for. The main purpose of an ice compensating pillow is to provide the ice essentially a toy to play with. The ice is going to push and expand as it grows. You want to encourage that ice to grow inward towards the center of the pool instead of growing outward towards your walls. Mother Nature is very strong, it's going to win all battles. So if you provide it encouragement to grow away from the pool structure, you're going to have a better success with the durability of your pool during winter. So you only want to fill this about 60 to 70% with air, because once you get the cover pushing downward, you have water and ice pushing upwards. If it's already filled 100% with air, the only thing it can do is pop. So you only want to fill it about 60% with air. I really prefer to use the air valve sealer from Pillow Pal as well, and it's even got a little diagram on there of exactly where it should go. You want to try to flatten out the pillow and apply it, right over that valve. You get a really good seal this way, and it uses a special adhesive that's good in cold weather and in moist environments, so you're not going to have to worry about that coming off like duct tape could, or anything like that. Once you have your pillow all inflated and ready to go, you're going to attach twine or rope or whatever you'd prefer, to each edge of opposite corners of your pillow. You can also use the Pillow Pal. Check out the link on this video, which makes it a lot easier to put a pillow on and off by attaching it to your cover with some special Velcro.